Hello guys, my name is Rakesh Patil. I completed my BE in mechanical branch from North Maharashtra University and today's date is 15 December and today's topic is scope in variables. Scope of variables in Java in the programming. Scope of variables define how to specify variable is a accessible within the program or across the class. In this section, we can discuss about the scope of variables in Java. Scope of variables in programming. A variables can be declared as defined in the class, method or block. It is defined the scope of the variables, that is the visibility of accessibility of the variables. Variables declared inside the block or method are visible to outside. It is try do so we get complaint error not scope variable can be nested. We can declare variables anywhere in the programming, but it is limited scope. A variable can be a parameter, a method or constructor. A variable can be a declared inside the body or the method and constructor. It is also defined as inside block and loops. Variable declared inside the main function cannot be accessed outside the main function. There are the three types of variables: member variables, class level scope; local variables, method level scope. First one, member variable, the class level scope. There are the variables are declared inside the class but outside the function. Have class level scope, we can access their variables anywhere inside the class. Note, the access specifier member variables do not affected scope with the class. Java allows to access member variables. Local variables, method level variables. These are the variables are declared inside the method, a constructor or a block, have the method level or block level scope and cannot be accessed outside the is the defined. Variables declared inside the a pair on curly braces have the block level code. Third one, scope of static variable. The scope of static variable, it is within the class. All the methods, constructor, blocks inside the class can be accessed static variables. By the using the class name, the visibility of static variables is to similar instant variable. However, you can declare the static variable. This can be available users for class to learn the more details. Variables can be stored in the integer, string, float, long and more function. And it can be delivered in the from in the main method. It can be defined in the main method. After that, we can call using system system printout ln, and we can call the variable or the given equation. We can use the variable in the given equation like addition, subtraction and multiplication by using the special character. And the variables is the, we can say the variable is the some of the main part of the, because variables can be used the memory location for where we can store we can require the data we can store in the variables by using variable name is equal to sc.next.integer. When we initialize by the integer, when we initialize by the integer, then we use sc.next.int. When we variables initialize in the float, we can use the sc.next.float. And when the integer or name also can be used as a variable, like and name like address, employee name and employee employee ID that can be stored in the string. With the using of string, we can we can initialize the variable that can be used in the whole program of the in the program. Thank you.